Welcome to our video on how to use the Ampha chip wash station. To begin, screw the syringe onto the outlet port. Next, open the latch and lift the lid so that you can insert an Ampha chip. You will see a large white arrow on one side of the wash station. On the left side of the chip, you will see a small notch. Make sure the notch and the arrow are aligned when inserting the chip. Once the chip has been inserted correctly, close the lid and secure the latch to hold the chip in place. If the chip is in the correct orientation, its logo will remain visible. Now place the tubing into deionized water and slowly pull back the syringe plunger. You will see the liquid flow into the syringe. Once you have finished washing the chip, open the latch and lift the lid again to remove it. Finally, clean the chip before storing it until its next use. Thanks for watching.